the National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Humphreys County in central Mississippi, Yazoo County in central Mississippi. This includes the city of Yazoo City, eastern Madison Parish in northeast Louisiana. This includes the city of Tallulah, northeastern Tensas Parish in northeast Louisiana, eastern Issaquah County in west central Mississippi. This includes the city of Valley Park, Shawnee County in west central Mississippi. This includes the city of Rolling Fork, Warren County in west central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Redwood, Vicksburg, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Nitayuma to 8 miles north of Mansford to 13 miles west of Afton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Nitayuma, Panther Burn, Mansford, and Rolling Fork by 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Delta City, onward, Tallulah and Ungula by 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Somerset and Eagle Bend by 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winds of 60 miles per hour can bring down trees, possibly resulting in injury and property damage. Roofs of mobile homes and outbuildings can be damaged, and minor roof damage to well-built homes and structures could occur. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday evening for northeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Humphreys, Issaquah, Shawnee, Warren, and Yazoo, and the following parishes in Louisiana: Madison and Tensas.